Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my new FabFitFun box. I'm super excited. Once again, I have not seen what's inside, so I'm super excited. I'm hoping there's gonna be necklaces and stuff in there because that's always my favorite. So if you would like to see what is in my box, then just keep watching. Alright, so this is the box. This is the summer box. So let's open this and see what I have in my box. So here's the little thing that's going to show you what is in here. So here is the thing they give to you to see what's going to be in here in your box. So I'm seeing a lot of like really good things in here. There are definitely some things that I'm really hoping that I have in my box. Ooh, some of these are like really good. Yes! So like usual, they have the thing for HelloFresh. They have it right here. So the first thing that I picked up is the one that I was like super excited if I got in my box, and I did get it in my box. So this is the earrings that are so pretty. I always pronounce this wrong. Bubber ball? No, not a ball. What is it? Bobber bar? Something like that. So they are super pretty. They are like golden, and then it has like rhinestones in it. Super, super pretty. I love them. This is like the one that I was like, I hope I have. So these earrings are $34. Next in the box is this. This is also something that I was really happy that this was in my box. I'm definitely opening this. This is for your hair when you wash your hair, and you can put it in like a, usually like a lot of people do it when they get their towel and they use their towel and like put it around your head, you know. This is one you use for like an actual one that you put it in your hair. So it looks like this. Not sure how to use it, but I'm assuming it's something like this. And you put it in and you twist and something like this, and then it has like a button that you can put it in. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it wrong, but this is amazing. I've seen other people do stuff like this. I do need to learn how to put it on because, let's be honest, it's definitely not, it's not right. So, I feel like it's definitely something like this though. Unless it goes this way, then you bring it up. I don't know, but you know, it'll be good. And the hair thing is $18. Alright, so next in my box, I have a scarf. And this is from Plush and is super, super soft. I got a blue one, and oh, it's like super cute. It's like so soft as well. It's very cute. I love it. And I love scarves, so this is perfect for me. So this scarf is $75. All right, next in the box, we have a wood cheese. Oh, this is awesome. It's for cheese and like a cheese and it says gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely bring this back to Alabama when I get back because Ryan loves cheese. I also love cheese, so this is like absolutely perfect for us. So this is $30. All right, next in the box, I have a Aveda damage remedy for your hair. So obviously, Adina, I am struggling today. Aveda is really good, so I definitely be using this. My ends of my hair is like not fried, but it's like very damaged, so I'm definitely going to be using this. So this is $30. Next up, we have a aromatherapy rubber ball. Nope, yeah, rubber ball. It is deep and relaxing. I'm going to open this one up. So it looks like this, and it is just to relax. I should bring this while I go to school. That would be... I don't smell anything yet. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm so relaxed. Ah. Just kidding. But it does smell good. I feel like it does the smell of it doesn't like, it's very strong, but it's like, It is. I can see why it makes you feel like, you know, relaxed. This is $29. Next is this. This is Juice Cleanse. So this is an exfoliator for, these are just like cubes. So it says just to take a single cube with you in the shower or the bath and gently massage over wet skin. Oh! Oh God, what does this smell? It's like melon. Is that what I said? It's like a melony. Yeah, that smells really good. So this is $16. Last thing in my box, I have Humankind, a body, what is that word? Souffle? As I've read this, it is just a healthy whipping, ultimate kindness, light and fluffy body souffle to absorb your skin feeling more moisturized, and touching, when you touch, it's going to be very soft. So I did a horrible job reading this. I am so sorry. It doesn't really have a smell, so let's put this on our hands and let's see. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's very nice. Oh, it's very like, I like it. So this is $18. All right, so that is everything in my box. As we guys know, there are many different things you could get in your box. So between your boxes, you can have between $210 to $345 into your box. So it just depends on what products you have in your box. So as you just saw, I have a lot of amazing things that I got in my box. I have had FabFitFun for a really long time and I absolutely love it. This is definitely one of the boxes that you can get like in the world to buy things. But this box is definitely one of my top 2-3 things. But they always have amazing things. I love that they have not only like makeup, they have food, they have like the scarves and necklaces and everything like that. I love that they have a variety of everything in there. So definitely I will put my link down below for you guys. And I do have a coupon for you guys, so definitely use the code Courtney down below. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Definitely don't forget to tell me which things that you got in your box and I will definitely respond for you guys. So yeah, I love you guys so much and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.